So if you want to generate the logo like this using the midjourney, so we have a very good opportunities to use the midjourney platform, create a server and start using the generating the images as or logos as per our choice. So we have a multiple things like we can generate the name specific logo also or brand specific logo specific using midjourney and many multiple things. So first of all, for those things, what will we go, we go to the Discord channel. Here we will create, first of all, one we will be creating our own chat server for me and my friends for a design server. Let's keep a name design server. And after creating the server, what we'll be doing, we will be adding a midjourney bot. So for that we'll be using a midjourney bot here, and on the right side you can see we have a midjourney bot, and after clicking on this we can use add to a server. So here what we will do, we will selecting our server name which we have already created, design server. So we will click on continue and we will be creating the authorizing it with the human and give the access permission. Then authorizes, please click each image containing something snooker. So this we are snookers, sorry, yeah, snookers and those. This will verify. Sorry, it went verified. Now we have to pick the cow in natural form. So we have this cow and we'll be verifying it. So once it's authorized and our server has been added to here, see, after authorizing, if we go to our channel on the right side in the high here we can show the member list. We have a midjourney bot added, and so what we can do, we can go and create a channel. So for our logo design, so we will be creating a logo design server, sorry, a logo design channel. And then first of all we will check the setting here. So we will be checking the setting. In setting, to generate the logo using the midjourney, it is necessary to have the MJ version 4 and remix mode on. If these both are on, we can disable message and we can generate the logos here like image in. So we can generate a logo for food company like named RFC. So what we'll be doing, it will be creating the logo. Now let's check it out. How does it create the logo? Yeah, so it is taking few times, as I can see it is generating a logo for a food company called RFC. So it is again and again, it is keep on improving the upscaling of the image, and the percentage can be shown over here. So it has been upscaled the quality. So now you can see the quality of the image. It is far fabulous and upscaled into a good image. So we can open it in a browser also, and we can check it out here about the image quality. And what next we can do, we can upscale each of, for example, if we have to upscale the image for this logo, then we can upscale with clicking on U1 and it will upscale this logo. Similarly, if you want to also upscale this logo, so we can click on U2 and similarly U3, U4, it will just upscale all the images which we have over here. So it is upscaling. It has been added in the queue because we have multiple upscaling of the image, so it will be taking up time. Just a minute, and we will be generating a fabulous image, and we will generating, apart from this, we'll be generating many logos for the futuristic and apart fabulous thing you can imagine, and write the description and you can generate the image as you want through a chat GPT or through a midjourney. And you can also take the description through a chat GPT, copy paste here and generate the logo and image as per your imagination. So it is taking the time. So what we can do here, we can cancel one job because it's taking time. Okay, yeah, so for the image, first image, you can see here we have not, just for this image it has been upscaled to more clarity of the logo, and we can see we can make the variations with this and the So also we can add the react to the emojis. We can check on web. So apart from that, we can also do multiple many things. Like we have, let's write just imagine, and then let's write minimal vector logo design for a food brand called RFC with a white background. So we will checking out, it will generate the logo. So, so above here it has been upscated to two images that we have selected and few we have cancelled the job already. So for those two, first or third or second, we can see it has been upscaled the image. So here we have just written a minimum vector logo to design for a food branch called RFC with a white background. So they are generating the logo with a white background logo. So that has been upgraded, upscaled the logo for each using the midjourney. Fabulous, the midjourney, or uh, what we can say about the midjourney. We can imagine and we can write the description. As per the description, it will generate the image or the logo you want. So here it has been generated the logo. Now we can also upscale it if you want. Otherwise we can just check out any other logo or design. So now let's create another logo related to food only. So a simple, let's create a simple vector logo design for a food company called RFC with a white background, if it looks good sometimes. White background. Now let's check out what the midjourney will generate. So let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's generating the. Just wait on. Yeah, so it's have been started generating. So it has generated 0% and it have increased to quality to 31%. It will increase the quality. So as the percentage increases, the quality of the image will also be increased. So we can see here for different images it has been generated. Yeah, here it has generated. So if you want to generate any Japanese style, so with here what we can do, we can also imagine some image logo. Let's imagine, sorry, image, uh, simple vector logo for company called RFC in Japanese style. So let's check out what it's generating the midjourney tool. Yeah, it's have started to generate the logo. So it's improving the quality of the logo. Yeah. So till 93% is updated, 100, and yeah, it's the good logo have it generated in the Japanese style. So what we can do, we can also create multiple type, again different types of logo, like imagine prompt. Here we can write a hexagon, geometric gradient logo for a company called RFC, green or blue, blue, futuristic vector, white background. So we will be copying this because we will be using further multiple times. So we will just changing few words. So it's let's check out after few seconds what the image it is going to generate as per the description. Yeah, so here it have been generated in the hexagon form through a midjourney. Now what we can do, we can also start imagine something different. We can copy paste the existing sentence and we can make some changes here, like a triangle image logo girl, and then this not geometric and gradient logo for a company called RFC, green and blue, white background. I'll check out what it's going to generate through a midjourney. So here you can see you have generated the logo. Yes, superb. It is fabulous through a midjourney. We can imagine anything and generate the logo or image. So let's try another one. Here what we'll be doing, you will be creating a simple logo for a brand called RFC in style of we will be copying pasting this sentence because we will be using similar sentences, just changing the style name. So let's first check out what it's going to generate the mid generate platform. So it has been generating the style of ball. So let's similarly we generate another style in the form of Sol boss. Let's check out. Oh, sorry guys. Yes, sorry. Oh, yeah. It's now we will check it out. What it will be going to generate. Till it's taking time for 31% has already been downloaded. Well, upscale of the image has all has been already done by Midjourney bot. So it's generated in the form of style of pop all, and we can also use a simple vector logo for a brand called Pepsi in a style of shawl in white background. We can try. After this, once it has been generated, we can try a simple vector logo in style of. So you can see it's have been generated in the sol white background style. It's generating also in the white background style. So here you can see here it's have been generated And the style with a white background. Now we generate, let's start different thing. Escort for foodie company. Simple. Vector. Flat design. We can also generate multiple things apart from this, like a letter logo, like a letter starting with M, P, Q, R, S, T, or multiple things. So we'll be generating the logo also with name starting with P. So above what you can see that it has been generated the logo in the form of cute mascot for a foodie company in a simple art vector in a flat area. So you can try multiple things like this, and you can use as per your imagination, as you will be giving the description to the midjourney bot, and you can generate the image. So here what you have seen, we have given a for a letter P. So you can see here it's generating for P, and similarly we can give for letter C. How fabulous it is looking each of the image. We can create the name, and we can generate logo with the name Pratik and multiple things. So how these logo are looking fabulous, fabulous logo. So similarly, I have also one more server here, and I was trying to do multiple things generating the logo. So I have created a logo design called name Krithwik with a white background. So it was generating the logo as seen here. So you can see we have generated a multiple logo with beautiful design which has been generated by midjourney bot, and these are the images or a logo generated with a midjourney bot. You can simply try multiple things as per your description, and you can generate those things. See how fabulous the image is looking like. So you can generate such things and it will be looking better. So please like, share and subscribe my channel to see similar things like generating the logos through the and using all the AI tools we will be discussing here, and multiple more important things. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.